Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Fun with Squad. I'm Mimsay.
And this is me, Stella. Me and Mimsy will be creating videos together. So this is our first video and we are going to do our first project in Scratch. And the name of our first project is the Balloon Pop Game. So let's start.
First of all, let's see how our project will look like when you finish. Just collect the flag and start gaming. You just have to pop it and just go into it. Okay, let's not waste time and get started with the project. So first of all, let's choose a backdrop. You can choose any type of backdrop you want. I'm going to choose stripes. So we do not need the scat sprite for the balloon pop game. Now I'm going to choose a sprite. We need a balloon. Of course, it's obvious. For a balloon pop game, we need a balloon. Now we have the backdrop and the sprite. Now we can begin our coding.
So first of all, we're going to create a variable. So we'll go to the variables category and click on the make a variable option. We're going to name our variable score. Then we are going to go to the events tab and choose the block when this sprite clicked. Let's go to the sounds tab and choose the block start sound. We don't have to change the sound because to pop the balloon, we need the sound pop only. So don't do anything with that. Then we'll go to the variables tab and choose the block change score by 1. That is change my variable one. Now we're going to the events tab and choose the block when flag clicked. We are going to set the score to 0. So now we're going to go to the sounds tab and choose the block start sound. We're going to change the sound. So click on the arrow button. So if you have saved the song, it will appear here. Or else you have to go to the sounds tab, which is right beside the costumes tab. And then from there you can upload a music or you can choose it from scratch. So it's your wish.
I'm gonna choose it from choose sound. Okay, let's choose that part. I love the song.
Let's change the sound. Great. So now we'll go to the events tab and choose the block when flag click. We'll drag the block forever. Then go to the looks tab and choose the block change color effect. So over here you can add any number whichever you like. So I'm going to change it to 34. Next we'll go to the motions tab and drag the block, go to random position. Then next we'll need if on edge bounce. Then go to the control tab and choose the block. Wait 1 second. So we are done with the coding. Now let's run it and check. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.